In this video, we are going to talk about how Etoro Copy Trading works. So, if you are somebody who is always busy and you do not have time to come to your charts for trading, you can actually utilize what's called copy trading, which is an identifying or differentiating feature service that's offered by Etoro. So, how does it work? Basically, what it does is it mirrors in your own account. In simple English, basically you come to your eToro platform, into your account, and when you go to the copy trading feature, you get a list of the traders that are feeding their trades into the eToro platform. Then if you find somebody that is performing or trading the industry that you would love to trade, this guy is making some losses this year, about 4.26%, but these are not, for example, this might be a 4% loss this year, but look at how they've been performing over the years. So don't allow somebody's loss for just a few months to basically discourage you from using them as a feed. So basically, you would, for example, choose this person and you love how they trade, you love their trades, and you also want to copy how they are trading. Basically, you are your account will automatically, you don't need to lift a finger, your account would automatically copy whatever that this person is doing, and you can still go into your account and change individual trades or even stop copying the person. For example, let's say we love to copy this person. It's just a matter of clicking copy here, and then you allocate some funds in your account or to copy whatever that they will be doing. So whatever instrument that they will trade, your account will also trade that instrument. So then you also, again, you have the ability of coming into your account and making adjustments and things like that based on how they are performing, or you can just stop the copying altogether. There are some things that you just need to note. You are not going to be charged fees, management fees, commissions, and the sort on all the trades that you are copying from this person or from whoever that you're going to be copying on their trades. And also, there's a rule that US traders must only copy US traders. So if you're based in the US, you can only copy US traders. So those are some of the little nice things that you just need to be aware of. But that's how basically copy trading works on eToro. You're basically setting up your account to mirror or to copy whatever these people do. The best performing or performing traders on the platform, because you don't have time or you don't have an idea of how to trade, so you can just basically copy automatically. Your account will just mirror whatever that they do in their own accounts.